destination is Kyoto.
Maddy comes through with another Google Maps save. I might not be able to navigate the trains, but I can find the good food and cafes.
チャーシューラーメンゆず麺でご注文できます。
It looks so good. Wow, it's really like different to what I've had before.
Pasta and strawberry. Then you get this little paste. Warm. That's very intriguing. It's like a pancake with like sweet beans and strawberry. Let's go find some coffee. Good morning. We had a bit of a sleep in. We both desperately needed to boost our immune system. As you can hear, my nose is nice and blocked up from just absolutely freezing my face off in the snow the other day. That's fine. We're actually feeling good. We're just gonna hop around some cafes today and take it easy. We were thinking of going to Nara, but I think we're just gonna hang local. Cafes, matchas, yummy food, maybe a bit of thrifting, and just like take in the beauty of this spot. Gonna get a nice little matcha.
So yum.
Stumbled across a blossom. Found some secondhand stores. That one was definitely good. It was like larger and like much more affordable. The one on the main street was all like high-end fashion, which was very cool to see, but like not within my price bracket. So yeah, that was good. Thoughts?
That one was so close.
That one was too big, but vibey colours. That one was like literally perfect, but had a stain on it. It's alright, we're gonna find one. Album just came out yesterday, so we're gonna walk to a tea ceremony and listen to it. It was a beautiful tea ceremony. I highly recommend ticking off. And now let's go look at some temples. seems like there's so many fun different experiences you can do. You could do the like kimono dress up. We just walked past a ring shop and you can get rings custom made, which would be such a cute like keepsake for a special trip. There was a ceramics class. There's just so much fun stuff happening around here. I love it. We just did a big temple and bamboo forest walk through. Again, very beautiful and zen. So pretty. That is crazy. Like, you can't fathom how that was constructed. We made it to the cute lookout. Glowy city. So we lined up at that bakery and we gave up after like 20 minutes of standing there. I think you have to like pre-book ahead and it booked out for the day, which I don't know, it was all confusing. In the meantime, we just found some little pastry somewhere else and then now we're having a little cozy coffee at this little nook. They recommend having dining cups, which I feel like is very rare here. I'm sick of having takeaway cups. I just on the ultimate cafe thrifting hopping adventure. That was so cute. I feel like walking through these streets and sitting on these streets there has just made me really want to come back for cherry blossom season. I think it would be insanely beautiful. Kyoto Osaka. Dropped our bags at our accommodation and went through a bit of a walk around and kind of just stumbled across whatever we could. We headed kind of in that direction, which probably means nothing to you right now. Went by some markets, found this shop, which I don't think it was vintage wear, but it was like vintage inspired. I think some of it might have been original and then some of it was like copied and remade. Got some stuff there. And then on our way back here, when we were going to check in and drop our bags, we found a second street, which that has been like probably the best secondhand chain that we've come across. It's kind of depends if it's on a main street, it's definitely probably priced a bit higher, but the one that we went to the other day that was in the back streets was quite affordable. Views are insane. It's like looking over the whole city. It's a beautiful afternoon. We're only here for a night, so we're really trying to cram in what we can. We did a bit of food markets then, a bit of shopping, and now we're gonna go back out and do some more thrifting, see what else we can find. I guess we'll stumble across a place for dinner. Very quick turnaround here, which is unfortunate to some degree, but it's just how the schedule happened. A little refresh time, and back out we go. What I found, where I found it. We thought we were going to a food truck and then we ended up getting lured inside and we're not mad about it, and we've ordered on my iPad lots of different things, and these drinks we didn't see what size it was on there, but they're huge. Breakfast.
Acai berry one.
Ooh. We made it to the station. I've been lured in to get a hot matcha from a vending machine. Matcha! Better than any matcha I've had in Australia. So good.
The next station is Tokyo. The doors on the left side will open.